Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Kershaw Lifter, and I saw this online. I've been a big fan of the Kershaw brand. I'm not too elegant on opening these boxes, but it's not really what's outside, so it's inside. As you see, it's all metal design with the frame lock. It's nice. Patent Tanto blade. They say it might have a 3CR 17 MOV blade on it. But there's been a lot of positive reviews on Amazon, so I'm gonna give it a shot. So, wish me luck. But with Kershaw, it's definitely a well-built knife. Never had a problem with them since I'm buying them. And thank you for watching my knife short of the day. Well, I'll talk to you later. Bye.